Hey kids, welcome to another amazing Bible adventure. Today we're diving into the story of Samson, the strongest man who ever lived. Before Samson was born, an angel appeared to his mother and told her that he would be a Nazirite, a person chosen by God for a special purpose. That meant Samson had to follow 3 important rules. Samson's long hair was a sign of God's power. As long as he obeyed, his strength would never leave him. But Samson had a problem. He didn't always listen to God. The Philistines were Israel's enemies. They wanted to capture Samson, but he was just too strong. One time, Samson defeated 1,000 Philistines with just a donkey's jawbone. The people of Israel thought Samson was unstoppable, but Samson had a weakness. Her name was Delilah, and the Philistines had a sneaky plan.
Oh, Samson, you're so strong. Heart, but what's your secret? How can you be tied up and made weak?
The Philistines had promised Delilah a fortune in silver if she found out how to take away Samson's strength. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
If you tie me up with 7 fresh bowstrings, I'll be weak as any man.
Samson, the Philistines are here! If you really loved me, you'd tell me your secret.
Samson finally gave in. He told her, "If you shave my hair, I will be as weak as any man."
Samson, the Philistines are here!
The Lord's power had left him. Samson was captured, blinded, and thrown into prison. Sniffle, sniffle. Samson had lost everything. His strength, his freedom, even his sight. But God wasn't finished with him yet.
Ha! The mighty Samson is weak. Let's make fun of him.
They brought Samson to their temple and chained him between 2 giant pillars. But Samson had one last request.
Oh, please give me strength one more time.
Crack! The pillars shake. Boom! The temple collapses. Samson and the Philistine rulers fall with it. Samson made mistakes, but in the end, he turned back to God, and God used him to save Israel. So kids, what can we learn from Samson's story? God has a special plan for you, just like he did for Samson. If we trust and obey him, he will give us the strength to do amazing things. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Bible stories. See you next time.